Hello students, in this lecture we will be discuss about grouping of registers. Okay, grouping oblique combination of registers. Combination of registers in our syllabus are of two types. First is series combination. First is series combination. Suppose three registers of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series, and potential difference of these resistors V1, V2 and V3 or resistors connected with a battery of potential V. Resistors connected in series with battery with the help of plug key K. Okay. So write down. Suppose three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. Potential difference of these resistors potential difference of these resistors are V1, V2 and V3 and करंट I, इस सभी में करंट इक्वल होगा I flow in each resistor. Current I flow in each resistor. Okay. Therefore, according to Ohm's law, we will discuss about Ohm's law in last lecture. So, according to Ohm's law, according to Ohm, V equal to IR. For first resistor, V1 equal to IR1 because resistor R1 have potential V1 but current I. Okay, and second resistor V2 equal to IR2 and third is V3 equal to IR3. But total potential is V. Total potential is V. Therefore, if total potential is V, therefore B equal to B1 plus B2 plus V3, putting the value of V, V1, V2 and V3. V equal to IR equal to V1 equal to IR1, V2 I R2 and V3 is I R3. I is common in both sides, R1 plus R2 plus R3. I cancel out to I, and finally R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, this is the series grouping of registers. Note down. Second is parallel combination. Suppose three registers of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. ये एक बैटरी से भी कनेक्ट है, इस तरह से, with the help of plug key K. This is the battery. पोटेंशियल सभी का इक्वल रहेगा V, and current flow in each resistor I1, I2 and I3. Suppose three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Current flow in these resistors I1, I2 and I3, and common potential of each resistor is V. Okay. So write down, suppose three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Current of these resistance oblique current flow in these resistors I1, I2 and I3 and common potential V. Common potential of each resistor is V. सभी रजिस्टर्स का कॉमन पोटेंशियल कितना है? V. ओके. Therefore, according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. What V is common for each resistor? So therefore, I equal to V by R, and I1 for first resistor equal to V by R1, because potential of each resistor is common and current in all resistors is different. I2 इक्वल टू B बाई R2, I3 इक्वल टू B बाई R3. If total current produces from battery is I, okay? तो क्या लिखेंगे यहां से? If total current is I, therefore I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Putting the value of I1, I2 and I3. I equal to B by R. I1 equal to B by R1 plus I2 equal to B by R2 and I3 equal to V by R3. V is common in both sides. So, V will be written as V by R equal to V common in bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, V cancel out to V. So, this is written as 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the parallel combination of रजिस्टर्स. ओके, एक स्पेशली पॉइंट ये ध्यान रखना कि जो पैरेलल ग्रुपिंग होता है उसमें रजिस्टर मिनिमम होता है और सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में रजिस्टर मैक्सिमम होता है. ओके.